myself Vanshika Jadhav. I am student of biotechnology, and today I am going to explain, as I said in the last video, I will be explaining about the types of microscope. Basically, I will be explaining about bright field microscope, dark field microscope, then its principle, its application, and basic difference between these two microscopes. Sorry guys that for few days I could not upload any video, but I am continuing with this. So first, if I talk about the principle of bright field microscope, this the reflection or refraction of light due to the reflection or refraction of the light, the object gets illuminated and gets visible. So if I talk about the principle of dark field microscope, basically when the room in a dark room, the particles and dust particles are not visible. But when what we have to do, that if a beam of light is passed in the room, then the dust particles gets visible. So this is one of the principle of dark field microscope. In bright field microscope, basically compound microscope is used. Why it is used? Because the object image gets enlarged and gets visible easily. Now next, if I talk about the basic difference in bright field and dark field. See, dark field can be for if the suppose if the microorganism is not stained, or it is transparent, or it is living organism. So in these conditions, we use dark field microscope. Whereas in bright field microscope, the microorganism or object, it has to be stained, it has to be dead, it is not going to move. So, or internal structures and all can be observed in bright field microscope. Now, if I talk about one more difference of bright field and dark field is that, you see one more that bright field microscope is light, it is cheaper as compared to dark field microscope. Then next, if I talk about the basic application of bright field microscope. First, it does not require any vacuum. Then various microorganisms can be observed under this microscope, and the internal structure of these microorganisms can be visible. And the structures through the microscope, it can be visible to the naked eyes. And the main important point in dark field microscope is that object, if it is not stained, if it is transparent, if it is moving, the moving objects are easily observed. Moving microorganisms or bacteria can be easily observed through the dark field microscope. So these were the basic principle, application and difference between the bright field microscope and dark field